Now, every company makes some bad ads, but I've noticed a series of ads that are just hilariously bad from Expert Options. Yeah, a company with expert in their name. So I recorded a bunch of their ads and I thought hopefully we can take a look at it together and see why it's so funny and kind of break it down as to why it's so misleading. Probably the funniest one is this one, the guy who wants to buy a PS5 by trading.
Live test to see if I can earn enough in the next few days. Let's go. Now I'm home and ready to start the live experiment. Let's trade and earn enough to buy the new PS5.
Look at him go, drinking from his empty cup.
The first day didn't go as well as expected. I deposited $100 today and I lost 20. I don't know if I can do this. I need to take a break and come back tomorrow.
Well, we all need to take a break once in a while, so that's true.
Hey everybody, this is the second day of my live experiment and I'm going to try using my laptop instead. I hope it helps.
I hope I try with my laptop because I lost some money on my phone. Hopefully the laptop helps. Great strategy. Come on man, devices don't really help. If you're investing in bad stocks, you will lose money, especially without realizing what's the actual value of it and selling it in short term. There are legit day traders out there who actually show you what day trading is like, so you can look at some of their channels to get actual insights. These ads are specifically designed to attract people who want to get rich quick with actual legit things that they have heard on the internet, like, oh, Bitcoin makes you rich, I'm gonna buy it. And wow, look at that. He's making progress. Using the laptop helped, so it'll help you too.
Second day, baby, I made it. Woohoo!
Great. Mad gains, bro. Respect.
Yeah, this should be enough to buy the PlayStation 5. And now, if you'll excuse me, it's time to buy my PlayStation 5.
That is not a store that sells you PS5. Look at that store. The best you can buy there is a phone case and some drugs on the side. I like how low budget and careless these ads are. It's like they know that people who are watching this won't really care about actual finances and they just want to make some money in a short term. I mean, some of their older ads were a lot more better. Like they actually showed the interface and they showed how it works and stuff like that. At least that's fine. But some of these newer ones don't even show you the interface properly. They just start showing you their car. Sure, you brought that car with 1 month after trading and you don't even show us a single detail of purchase. You know, there are some companies who can afford to get away with anything, like Apple. They can make any kind of crap and someone will be out there buying that thing. Most probably a reviewer like me. And then there are others who appeal to such wide variety of audience that they know they will get someone in their net, even if they can't catch everyone. That's exactly what these companies do. Like you can actually make legit money using this, but you need a lot of practice and some amount of knowledge about the platform that you're using. And it's not just about watching the bar and predicting the price with these up and down buttons. You have to know a lot of things about the market prediction. Anyways, I'm no investing guru myself. I'm just starting out just like you probably. But companies who make ads like these are clearly trying to get your money by encouraging you that it's really easy without making you aware of the risks involved first. I mean, even mutual funds knows that you have to say that they are subject to market risks before.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk.
It's just a way of companies covering their asses so they are not liable for your losses down the line. And that's fine. Every company and every business line or whatever else has some kind of risk associated with it, but it's important that you know it. If you're wondering what's the whole point of investing, and if you're like me who's just on the starting stages of investing, I've made another video, you can check that out. And yeah, you can leave your thoughts about this in the comments. What do you think? If you enjoyed watching this man buy a PS5, then leave a like and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.